Just find a bottle with the messages. These days, man, it's too late to put
S, the double, the U, the V. What is poppin', everybody? I am back with another vlog, another video, another banger, whatever you want to call it. Hey y'all, this is your boy Christianthebos and welcome back. Hey king, hey queen. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below and say what's up to me, because you know we got everything popping, and of course there's only one boss, and that would be me. Call me Christian. Anyways, welcome back to another video. Like I said, right now I just got off of work. Today is Saturday and I have a power-packed weekend, as I always do. But I wanted to give you guys like a couple of little mini updates on kind of stuff that I've been doing. I wanted to show you guys the little shelf. I really like starting my videos right here. Like, this is really nice. I'm able to like prop my camera up and like start my videos. But I wanted to show you guys what I've gotten so far for my little shelving unit, so you guys can kind of see the vision. Let me kind of take you guys off of here and then turn you guys around. So this is what I have so far. I haven't been able to put all my colognes on here because I do have some that are still in boxes, but I got this wonderful item. It's like a tray, marble tray. I got it off of Amazon, and of course I have like some of my colognes that I have already been using. You know, my Chanel, Calvin Klein, YSL, Dior, Burberry, you know, all of these, Dolce & Gabbana on here. I really wanted to envision like kind of displaying my colognes on here, just so that way I won't have to like, you know, get them out of like a nice bag or whatever. I could just like grab and go whatever scent I wanted to use. And then up here I have this wonderful Chanel collections and creations book that I got off of Amazon as well. I haven't unpacked it yet because I do have another designer book that I'm not gonna tell you guys about until it comes in, and then I'll reveal it. But yeah, this is the book. It is a hard copy book. It is off of Amazon. I'm going to be linking everything that you guys see in this video. I'm going to be linking it down below. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys just kind of what I have going on my shelving unit so far. And then I have this marble-esque vase. I do have some type of like pampas grass leaves coming in from Amazon. That won't be here till Thursday, so probably on the next vlog I'll give you guys another mini update. Guys, I still have not drilled anything in here for I don't know why, but and then I also wanted to show you guys my little skincare. What's poppin'? My little skincare refrigerator that I got off of Amazon as well. It is white. So let me show you guys what I have in here. I just have like all my skincare stuff. I just kind of wanted to store it in here. So yeah, this is what I have in my little skincare, and it is a mirrored thing so you guys can see me what's popping. But yeah, so that's my little mini update on my room thus far. Let me put you guys back up here. But yeah, so that's my little mini review on my room so far. Oh, and I've been using these skin pills. Let me get them. Yeah, I've been using these skin pills. Trying to try out some things. I've seen a couple of different YouTubers using it, and y'all know me, I'm always on an experiment hunt, whether it be facials, eating better, whatever, to have better, clear skin. My skin's not the best, but we get in there. I'm like on week 2 with these. I'll link these down below as well. But yeah, so those are pretty good too. My skin, I don't know, it's getting better, but you know, it's a daily, it's a journey. This thing ain't overnight. So right now I'm getting ready to go to the guys' football game. I've been telling them for months and about forever that I was gonna go to one of their games. I don't have anything to wear, but I'm gonna figure it out. And yeah, so I will probably pick this up when I go to their football game. I think Desiree's meeting me up. I don't know, I'm also hungry. Like I said, I just got off of work and I am just like kind of all over the place. So yeah, I'll pick this up when I get to the football game or wherever I'm going. I will be bringing y'all with me, so see y'all then. Ooh. Y'all, so I finally made it to the football game for the guys, and I love y'all, but I want to go home. It's fucking cold out here, and I'm hungry in the snack bar.
It's windy.
Yeah. Oh, Des is here. Cute! And Joe. But yeah, this is, what is their team name? The Lions. Look at them all huddled up. Period, Lions. But anyways, y'all, I could definitely go for a drink right now and a good wing. A good wing. But I don't know. I honestly don't know if you guys can hear me too because it's a little windy and I have the thing on there, but yeah, so, but this lighting though, is superb, okay? But yeah, hopefully I could put them on the vlog right after the game and hopefully they win. I don't even know the score, y'all. Look at this damn scoreboard. This shit says 4-0. No. Look at the dog.
So you're gonna go, so you're on this side, you're going here.
Okay, not the names on the back. Y'all official. Y'all look at this damn name on the back. Okay. Okay. You are official. We wanted to see your face. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know, swag is on point, you know.
Okay. Y'all, so I did not bring my camera into Westgate. Clearly, for so many reasons, I put a little clip of the fights that have happened. Damn. Put a little clip of the fights that were happening at Westgate, but Lord have mercy. This shit is ridiculous. And
Bye.
oh shit.
I'm sorry.
Damn. Chips. Guys, I didn't drink a thing that wasn't on purpose, but inside was giving me COVID-19, so I had to just kind of drink my own stuff. But look at my bottle. I brought water. Water in my car. Water is very important. But guys, Westgate, there's just way too many fights for me. Like, it's like every 5 seconds. I don't know if it's like a West Side thing. I don't know why my camera's doing this. It's the lighting. I don't know if it's a West Side thing, but they bout it over here. Like, they're gonna crack a bottle on your head type of stuff. I don't see that in Scottsdale. So, and I'm from the West Side. And I have to let a bitch and a nigga know what time it is, especially after this weekend, and heed that warning. Hey y'all, today is the next day. It is Sunday. Sunday, fun day, Sunday, great day. It's gonna be a great day. I just got up, I'm super tired from last night, but I wanted to show you guys me and my face routine. This is what I'm using, and also I use this moisturizer. Nothing too big, but I got this new device at Sephora I've been seeing people use when they clean their face. This is it. What is it called? The Feo or the Foro or something like that. But it's pretty cool. I got the like medium size. It comes with this like little bag and a charger. It connects to your phone, and it has different like pulse options, but basically when you're washing your face, watch, I'll show you guys right here. So you just turn it on from the back. It has like this button, and then you can change it. I don't know if you guys can hear it. And it has different like things, so.
Big on big. Big on big.
Never say die.
If you having paper and I'm having paper, how you go big on big? If you having neighbors and I'm having acres, how you go big on big? If I got the Draco when you got the seed, how you go big on big? If I'm chopping that gas, you chopping that mid, how you go big on big? If I pull out a dub, you pull out a 10, how you go big on big? If your bitch is a 5, my bitch is a 10, how you go big on big?
Hey guys, so we are on our way to Lake Pleasant to the boat. I got my girl Desiree here, and we got Starbucks. This is a strawberry acai, and she got a, what is that called?
Iced chai tea latte.
Iced chai tea
with
latte.
sweet cream foam, something like that.
Sweet cream foam on top. But we're on our way. We're gonna meet up with Kenny, Andrea. I think Stasia's gonna be there, and a bunch. So do y'all remember the question marks I said earlier that were coming?
My fucking shorts.
Oh, those aren't your swim shorts though, right?
They are actually.
Like how bad did you rip
Oh,
them?
they're not too bad.
So y'all remember the question marks I said that were coming? Well, this is them. Say the word.
Bazinga!
These motherfuckers got us fucked
The
up.
best prank of
They got us
2021.
fucked up.
The best prank, cause I'm like, here's my thing. I'm like, I was on the fucking phone with him this morning. He did not mention not one, nothing. I'm like over here about to go over. I'm like, give me the boss's number, cause I'm about to fucking go off. Long story short, y'all, he said that he got called into work. And one thing about these jobs, they don't give a fuck about you. So if they calling you in, you can't come in because you have life. We all almost died last year. So at this point,
Yep.
we need to enjoy life. Amen.
You hear that?
Hey.
YOLO tonight. YOLO today.
Hey,
Hey y'all, so we are at Walmart, about to get some snacks and some drinks before we head out to Lake Pleasant. The guys already ran in. They wanna, I'm gonna get on the guys because not them wanting to prank us about not coming to the damn lake. And then they wanna mess up. I love the prank, it was cute, but it really messed me up time-wise because I had things in line, y'all. So we're here at Walmart. I don't know what we're gonna get, but we'll see y'all when we get in there.
why are you shaking it?
Not shaking. Uh-oh.
I wish I was fucking gnarly like that, dog.
Let's do it. You want it? Okay.
I don't know how to fucking. Can you poke a hole for me?
Damn, I wish I could, y'all, I wish I could drink right now because I'm trying to be a responsible adult.
Yeah, Dad's give me right. I'll fucking do this shit. Right now. Fuck it.
Got somebody. They're playing good music out here, y'all.
Yeah, I was wondering, is that Ross or Barnes & Noble?
No, the complex plays music. See the poles?
That's why it sounded so good.
Oh, here's the tequila.
Ooh, period poo.
I know. Water or tequila?
Yeah.
We don't know.
Smart.
We don't know.
Smart. Fuck. Get the.
You'll be fine, you'll be fine.
Wait.
Oh yeah, that is
Wait,
kinda
this
small.
is all like.
Wait. Ready?
It's gonna be a fail.
Set. Go.
Okay. Fuck it up. Period. Oh. He wanted to talk all that stuff last time about Joe and how he takes shots and stuff. I'm weak.
That was good.
That was fire.
You did it so fast, dog. I thought it was like on her ass. Like I'm really about to beat her ass right now.
Y'all, so I'm gonna pick this up when we get to Lake Pleasant.
Hey, edit that part.
This is scary.
Oh!
Okay. We're on the. It's moving and I'm so scared. I feel like I'm gonna fall off.
To our right? Oh, I see you.
Where?
Ah!
Oh my gosh, this is moving. I feel scared. I'm scared.
Guys, look who's our boat driver.
That's me,
Kenny.
you know.
Captain.
Follow me on Instagram, can't even tell.
Oh my god, no. And the two beautifuls, hey.
Hello.
Oh! And Des, and we're waiting for Chance and Joe. Chance and Joe, I'm just gonna say this publicly, is the reason why we're starting late. I had to turn my fucking car around.
What? For what?
Remember? Because I was already on the way.
That's right, that is right.
I was like, oh my god.
You were right about that.
I'm like, because me and Des, we were on time. You know I called you, y'all hadn't even left yet. I was like, we're on our way.
It's the one right there. It's bigger. It's like.
Oh, but I'm so excited.
It's 12.
This is really nice.
This is a 20. That's a 24.
This is like a good size.
It's not for 8 people though.
At first I was like, the weather, I was like, but the weather's perfect. I didn't want it to be too scorching, but I still wanted some type of a sun. And we have it.
We have some.
Can you drive all the way out there or no?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see?
There's one place where we can't go because the eagles are nesting.
And I'm like, I can't.
Eagles?
Yeah, eagles.
Do you see them?
Yeah. Babe.
Who?
I was like, wow. That's what Joe did. Joe said. Say it again, Joe. So we. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, Joe. We fucking on MILFs today.
I already spoke
MILFs
to you.
only.
Oh, not MILFs only.
Yeah.
Wait, it's security
Oh,
for.
People love us,
We're
dog.
walking
Oh.
We're hot
the little
commodity.
fucking thing, and oh, go crash the party. You guys would fit right in. I was like, all right.
No, she wasn't talking.
Literally.
Hey, you know what's crazy?
Yes, son! Come out.
When she said that, I only seen the front yard. Now I'm seeing the back yard.
Yeah, now I'm like,
Wow.
Oh man.
fuck her.
I was like, damn, you think about fitting with the white folks? And I'm like, this nigga right behind them.
Wait, are you not gonna don't mess with the water?
Oh.
Wait, turn around. We gotta go back. Turn around.
Why?
I need a motherfucking life jacket.
There's one in there. Back.
Right there, behind him.
Oh. Y'all heard that? He can't swim. I mean, I'm not a pro swimmer, but if the boat tips, I'll be okay.
But like, I can't do that. Like if I'm swimming, if I'm in the water, if I'm in the water, I'm swimming from here to there. Nigga, what you talking about? Or I'm gonna go underneath and go up like a fish. But I can't just stay in the same spot doing this.
Weak.
I don't got river.
Guys, I'm having the best time. We are here at Lake Pleasant. I got my Trulies. Woo! Yeah.
We don't need a driver right now. Why? We're going straight.
Bro, if you look up the wheel, the thing is like.
I gotta stay in my zone. Say that we been beefing, dog, but you on your own. First night, she gon' let me fuck cause we grown. I hit her, gave her back to the city, she home. She at home now. That was that, so I can't be beefing with no whack nigga. Got no backbone. Heard you living in a mansion and all your raps though. But your shit look like the trap on his Google Maps though.
Hello?
We been brothers since Versace Bando, whoa. Name ringing like Amigo trap phone, whoa. Used to be with Vase at Santos. That's on Timecodes. We live like Sopranos. And I walk it like I talk it. 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 You walk it like I talk it. 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 Niggas pocket watch it. I want that, this, that menage. I bought a franchise to double up the profit. Make a landslide, chopper get the poppin'. Elliot got me.
Hey, so 2021, COVID, you can't hold me back no more. Hey. Oh, where you at? Okay.
Hey, give me some of this, get in there.
Okay, good. Now you're
No milk walking, honey. Walk it like I talk it. That's my bro, he know the lingo. Ain't no walking talking. This some you know, I don't we know. Hold out on that coffin, smoke the cookie, get the coffin. Drop that fresh, I need a coffin. Call us something we do. In the pot, I'm not playing no dolphins. And I didn't go buy me a faucet. Look it like I talk a nigga done bought it. I better go, so I gotta call it. I'm in the shit, so nigga just down. Shit in the building, that's all the proud. I can't be down, they taking my spouting.
Walk it like I talk it. 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 You walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Now make that motherfucker hammer time.
Dog, I ain't gonna lie. I want a nigga head.
Now you're doing a good job.
Wobble dee wobble dee wobble wobble.
Shot o'clock.
Hey! Cheers! Woo! Clink, 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 clink.
Buffalo! I'm on your fucking ass, nigga.
Damn.
Yo, this for you. Yo, this for you.
Hey. Yeah, he got your ass. Get in! Just do it! Come on! Hey, you ain't no pussy! I'll go in with you!
Okay,
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, wait, no, you go first.
Hey, let
Yo, no, yo, get him. Yo, bro, I'm not getting, hey, Christian, get him.
What the fuck? Hey, let's go.
Use the left.
Christian, it works.
Chance, go get Joe.
I got you.
For more than me, you just find a bottle with the messages. These days, excellent. Profession is, I should have generation in. These are what my professions.
I think I got it.
I did brush with a judge prepared before. We want everything galore, not just lyric alone. You with the secret service. So obvious it defeats the purpose. If this is your hobby, then come and meet your mate. Champagne, ring bells, started at the crib, look how far this shit I'm taking. Raw sitting on 235 acres. That's facts.
Hey!
I'm like my third cousin. My soul like my real brother.
I hate that nigga, dog. That shit's too cold. I get tired.
Man, sorry, kid, with every option. Let me know
Fucking amazing. You gotta do it. My heart is racing!
First couple rows, you gon' see the real. The ones that look like rappers like it's lunchtime.
This shit is wild. We're out here, Lake vibes with the fam. Hey.
You had to wait an hour until you get back into the pool. No more swimming.
What the fuck? Not the lifeguard said. Damn. That felt bomb as fuck. I loved it. Damn. Yeah. I'm like, I need some type of water. Wake up! Are you going back in, Joe? Oh. It's me wanting to go back in. Come on, Chance. Huh? I want to.
Never get back in that.
That was not even bad.
Ever.
It's like, it's clear water. It's not even salt.
I can't even. I don't know.
Fucking clear water. That's
Wow.
cold water.
It's on my phone. It's in my pocket.
That
That would have been. Talk that lit talk. Hey! Y'all, let me tell y'all something. Real quick. We lit! Hey!
Can we stay in the machine?
Oh no, no. Oh, this is it!
Play back! No! Yeah, play more money, no problem.
But this is a. I'm on my I'm on my Biggie vibe. Cause we online. Hey. Bestie vibes. Y'all can never. You can never. Oh. I should go online. I like that. Little sis. Y'all, but I'm gonna get off of here because my voice is gone. We might go live tonight. It's like I work at 6 in the morning, but I don't care. I don't care. Period. I might get on a little later. I love y'all. See y'all later. Oh.